Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to go over letters E and F. So if you are ready, let's get down to the table and do this. The pen that I'm using today is a Marvi Uchida Le Pen Flex. The tip is one of the smaller types that I already own. This pen is one of my personal favorites as I own several colors that the company offers. Creating a lowercase e feels almost similar to a lowercase c. The only difference is beginning with that bar as a thin stroke. Then as you approach the top of the letter, beginning to apply pressure so the downward curve is thick. Right before you reach the bottom, start releasing the pressure so the stroke thins out as you finish the letter curving upward. Changing angles, you can see the pen glide across, creating the thin bar, and how the pressure increases going downward and the release as I curve upward. These are my two versions of the uppercase E. The first one is based on the cursive version of an uppercase E, and the second one is a stylized version of a printed uppercase E. I feel that neither style is better than the other. Determining which style to use really depends on the style and formality of the lettering piece that I'm working on. So let's learn both styles. It's always good to have variety. The cursive style of the uppercase E reminds me of two C's stacked on top of each other. The top C is slightly smaller than the bottom C. And the one thing I struggle with is finding the perfect sizing between the two C's so they look balanced. Practice and sometimes sketching out with a pencil before inking allows me to create an E that I'm happy with. This style is something I'm a little bit more comfortable with, and I honestly use this style more. It's got fairly simple strokes. This version that I'm showing you has serifs that make it feel fancier. On very casual lettering pieces, I've been known to omit the serifs. Lowercase f is one of the letters I enjoy creating. Once this basic letter form is learned, this letter can be stylized with extra loops and flourishes to match the look and feel of any lettering piece. Creating the letter form starts with an ascending loop that dives down past the baseline to create a descending loop that is backward from what I initially showed you in videos past. Then you gently draw a curve out so you can eventually connect this to another letter. Again, I'm showing you two versions of the uppercase F. Just like the above, the first one is more cursive and the second one is more of a printing style. Again, figuring out which version to use is truly up to you and the look you are trying to achieve. This version of the uppercase F starts with a thin upstroke, dives into a thick downstroke, and curves upward, creating a thin upstroke. Then create a bar using a thin stroke. Sometimes I add a little serif to the bar, and sometimes I leave it alone. The next version is similar to a printed uppercase F, a thick downstroke, then thin lines to create the bars. Sometimes I add serifs and sometimes I don't. All right, and that's it for today's video. I know I gave you two options for your uppercase letters, but like I've said in this video and in previous videos, it really just depends on the look and the feel of the lettering piece that you're working on. So practice whichever style feels best for you, and maybe as you keep going, you'll develop your own style and your own ways of doing things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tap the notification bell so that you don't miss out next week when we go over G and H. Bye!